Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a UK online study visa. First, let's cover the essential initial steps. You'll need to confirm your eligibility, ensuring your chosen course is specifically designed for distance learning and that your educational institution is a licensed sponsor. It's also crucial to demonstrate you have sufficient funds to cover your course fees and living expenses, even if studying remotely. This foundational understanding will set you on the right path for a successful application. Next, let's talk about gathering your vital documents. You'll absolutely need your confirmation of acceptance for studies, or CAS, from your UK educational provider. Also, prepare your current passport, all academic transcripts, and proof of your English language proficiency, such as an IELTS certificate. Don't forget to collect comprehensive financial evidence, demonstrating you have enough money to support yourself throughout your studies. Finally, check if your course requires an ATA certificate. Now, let's walk through the application process itself. You'll start by completing the online visa application form with precision, ensuring all details are correct. Following this, you must pay the visa application fee and the immigration health surcharge. Then, schedule and attend your biometric appointment at a designated visa application center. This is where your fingerprints and photograph will be taken. Finally, submit all your supporting documents, either digitally or in person, as instructed. After submitting your application, the waiting begins. You can track your application's progress online using the unique reference number provided. Be ready for the possibility of an interview or a request for additional information from the Home Office. Processing times can vary, but typically, you should allow at least 3 weeks for a decision. Always ensure that all information you've provided remains consistent and truthful throughout the entire process for the best outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.